हेलो फ्रेंड्स, म दीपक म तपाईँहरूको लागि फेरि आज नयाँ टपिक लिएर उपस्थित भएको छु। यस प्रकार रहेको छ 10 सेट अफ मोडल क्वेसन। तपाईँको कम्प्युटरको चाहिँ 10 सेट अफ मोडल क्वेसन म तपाईँहरूको लागि यहाँ लिएर उपस्थित भएको छु। पहिलो हाम्रो रहेको छ मोडल सेट 1। म चाहिँ तपाईँलाई आज यो जति नै हाम्रो 10 सेटको पाँचवटा सेटको म तपाईँहरूसँग क्वेसन एन्सरहरू पुरै सेयर गर्न गइरहेको छु। त्यही भएर प्लिज च्यानललाई सब्सक्राइब गरिदिनु होला, बेल आइकनलाई प्रेस गरिदिनु होला, भिडियोलाई पनि लाइक गरिदिनु होला। ल अब भिडियोमा हामी अगाडि बढ्छौँ। अब हामी आइसकेको छ 10 सेट अफ मोडल क्वेसन। पहिलो रहेको छ एन्सर द फलोइङ इन सर्ट। डिफाइन द टर्म GIGO। GIGO, garbage in, garbage out, means that if input is incorrect, then the output will also be incorrect or undesirable. What is an analog computer? An analog computer is a computer that operates on continuous data. Who and when HTML was developed? Tim Berners-Lee developed HTML in 1991. Define HTML. HTML is defined as the standard markup language which is used to create web pages. Like this, we have defined constant. Constant are the values used in a program that is unchangeable value. What is an operator? An operator are the special symbols or words that are used to perform various operations on constants or variable. यसै गरी हाम्रो अर्को रहेको छ डिफाइन द टेक्निकल टर्म। एन आउटपुट डिभाइस दैट प्रोड्यूसेज ऑडियो आउटपुट। स्पीकर, द प्राइमरी मेमोरी विच इज volatile in nature, RAM. ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. Like this, we have the now short question answer. Answer the following question. Write the limitation of computer. Limitation of computer are: computer has no intelligence of its own. Computer cannot change its processing steps itself. Define digital computer. The digital computer is defined as the computer which operates on discrete data. Like this, we have another. Like this, we are going in another page. Differentiate between hard copy and soft copy output. Hard copy, the output printed on paper is called hard copy output. The output displayed on monitor's screen in the term of text, video, sound from speaker is called soft copy. Hard copy, it cannot be touched, but soft copy, sorry, hard copy, it can be touched, but soft copy, it cannot be touched. Here is our next question. Number E. Explain the working principle of the computer. Working principle of computer are input, process and output. Input, the process of entering data into the computer is called input. It is done by mouse keyboard. We all know that. Like this, we have here process. It helps to process the input and make result ready for the output. It is done by CPUs. Output, the process of displaying data or result is called output. It is done by monitor, printer, etc. Number F. Define search engine. List 2 examples of search engines. Search engine is defined as the internet tool that helps us to find information in the World Wide Web. It helps, for example, Google, Bing, like this. Here is what is hyperlink. Hyperlink is the most important feature of HTML documents which are used to connect different web pages on the internet. Like this, we have came in model set 2. Our first question is, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a computing that can be enjoyed anywhere, anytime and through any device if internet service is available. Here are some examples: storage device, storage service, database service. What is the hybrid computer? Hybrid computer are the computer that processes both continuous and discrete data. Name the commonly used web browsers for viewing the HTML pages. The commonly used web browsers for viewing HTML pages are Google Chrome. We all know that. Here is at first our question is, what is CSS? What is CSS? CSS is a styling sheet language that describes the presentational semantics of a document. Like this, we have defined variable. Variable is defined as a name of storage location in the computer's memory in which we can store different values. Like this, we have a full form of IBM, International Business Machine. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Answer the following questions. List any 4 characteristics of computer. Any 4 characteristics of computer: high speed, accuracy, diligence, storage. Attend to uses of email. Uses of email, it helps to contact with people for free. And here's another: it helps to send messages online. Difference between RAM and ROM. RAM, its full name is random access memory. ROM, its full form is read-only memory. RAM, it's volatile memory. ROM, it's non-volatile memory. Like this, we have what is an operating system? Leads any four function. An operating system is a software that enables the computer hardware to compute and operate with the computer software. Function of OS, operating system. It manages all the files and folders. It controls and manages all the hardware devices. Draw a block diagram of the computer system. This is the block diagram of computer system. You can see this is in computer book also. So you can easily get it from the computer book. यसै गरी अब चाहिँ हामी अर्को या पेजमा लाग्दैछौँ. अर्को प्रश्न चाहिँ रहेको छ डिफाइन HTML tag. List any two types of HTML tag. HTML tags are defined as the keywords or command used in HTML. Two types of HTML tag are container tag, empty tag. And now we reached in say model question set 3. Define data. Data are the unarranged or unprocessed raw facts and figure which may or may not be incomplete sense of meaning to the user. What is the keyboard? A keyboard is an input device which helps to enter data and instruction into the computer. What is the most famous visual display unit? I tell you that monitor is the most famous visual display unit. यसै गरी हाम्रो यहाँ रहेको छ what is a rational operator? The operator that are used to compare two values are called rational operators. Define nested loop. The placing of one loop inside the body of another loop is called nested loop. The physical part of a computer that can be seen, touched and felt is computer hardware. Contains deleted files and folders. Recycle bin. CAD, computer designing. GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. Please, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe as soon as possible for the best exercises of any class, any chapters, for any subjects. Here is the answer to the following question. Write down the main units of computer system: computer hardware, computer system, computer software, data, user. After that, we have difference between primary memory, secondary memory. Primary memory is the main memory of the computer. Secondary memory is the secondary memory of the computer. Primary memory, it is used to store data and information temporarily. It is used to store data and information permanently. You can look here. Now again we are going in another. List any four input and output devices. Any four input devices are, you also know that. This I don't need to tell. And here are some output device also. And here is the difference between GUI and CUI. GUI, its full form is graphical user interface. CUI, its full form is command user interface. Command user interface. Like this we have came in model set 4. You can see. Answer the following. Define computer bus. Computer bus is defined as the electronic pathway through which the data travel in computer system. Define uploading. Uploading is defined as the process of sending or storing files from the user device to internet. How is the font tag used? The font tag is used to change the size, color and face of the text. Like this we have technical term. The device which stores data and information permanently for future use. This is secondary storage device. Like this we have SRAM, static random access memory, and WAN, wide area network. Like this we have difference between compiler and interpreter. You can look over here. Compiler, it is faster and more efficient than interpreter. It is slower than compiler. For example, C, COBOL. For example, BASIC. These are the examples. Now we move to the mention the function performed by ALU. Function performed by ALU are this function. You can write. So please note it fast. Sorry for the disturbance. Now we have why computer is called a diligence machine. Computer is called a diligence machine because it can perform repetitive tasks without feeling bored. Now we have difference between impact and non-impact printer. Impact, it produces sound while printing. It does not produce sound while printing. Like this, another is they produce low quality output, they produce high quality output. Define web page and website. Web page is defined as the document written in hypertext markup language HTML that is accessible through the internet by a browser. Like this we have website is defined as the collection of web pages. What is a tailored software? Write with the example. Tailored software is the software designed to meet the specific requirement of an organization. For example, banking system, result processing. It is possible to give a background. Is it possible to give a background to a web page? Yes, it is possible to give a background to the web page by using body bg color tag. Like this, we have again come in our model set 5. Define supercomputer. Here is our define supercomputer. Supercomputer are the most powerful computer in the world with the highest processing speed. Here is define tag attribute. Define tag attribute is defined as which provides additional information to describe the content of tags. Here is define algorithm. Algorithm is a specific set of instructions or rules for carrying out a procedure or solving a particular problem. Technical term. The software is created on demand of user. On demand software. DNS, full form of DNS, domain name system. And full form of IoT. You can look here, IoT, Internet of Things. Like this, here is the importance of email. It helps to contact with the people. It helps to send messages online. Define digital computer. What are the type of digital computer? Digital computer is a computer which operates on the discrete data. Types of digital computer: microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer, supercomputer. Define the pair tag and singular tag. Pair tag, the tag which have the corresponding end or closing tag are called pair tag. The tags which have no end tags are called empty tags. For example, font img, image tag. फट को लागि यति नै म तपाईहरुलाई भेटुन्छु यस्तै चाहिँ राम्रो भिडियो लिएर अबसम्म तपाईहरुले प्लिज पुरै भिडियो हेरिसक्नु भएको छ भने प्लिज फेरि भने अझै च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरेर जानु होला बेल आइकनलाई प्रेस गर्नु यस्तै अझै भिडियोहरु बनाउनु छ च्यानलमा त्यही भएर प्लिज च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरेर जानु होला तपाईहरु प्लिज भन्दै छु र तपाईले भिडियोलाई लाइक पनि गरिदिनु आफ्नो साथीहरुसँग शेयर गर्नु तपाईको कुन साथीहरुलाई आउँदैन सब्जेक्टहरुको बारेमा आउँदैन तपाईको यो कम्प्युटरको एक्सरसाइज त फाइनल टर्ममा तपाईले केही पनि गर्नु पर्दैन तर के खोजेर लेख्ने केही गर्नु पर्दैन तपाईले मैले पुरै दिइसकेछ तपाईले एक्जाममा पढ्नुस् मात्रै तपाईले राम्रो नम्बर लिएर आउन सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईले कम्प्युटरमा यति भन्दै चाहिँ म अब यहाँबाट बिदा चाहन्छु यति भन्दै धन्यवाद।